Hey, what's up guys? I'm Aidan does his laundry, and on today's episode I'm going to be doing my laundry, so let's wash these clothes and get them dried up real nice. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so when we're washing our laundry, we obviously need something to wash it with. So I like to go for pods. Pods are great. There's 3 different sauces.
I'm sorry.
Like, this is, okay?
Cut, yeah, it's fine.
And my craft. And you sound like my fucking mother right now, okay? Dude,
I'm
take
sorry,
this.
I'm sorry, God.
Don't you laugh, alright? I'm done with that shit. So everyone talks about, you can stay there, it's all good. It's right here. This is the laundry sauce. And it actually has 3 different components. Can you believe this shit? Actually, before we go down, I have a little bit to add. Everyone talks about having the sauce. This here is the laundry sauce. It has 3 different components. No, just get out of here. Get out of here. People these days. That's the smell right there. That is the smell. Hey, how you doing? Alright. So, yeah, let's just head on over. In here. Oh shit, there goes the sock. Looking pretty good. Now, take our 3 sauces, the breast milk, toothpaste, and green. Got that? Cool. Got it. That, for these guys, you would think that it's gonna go right in here, kids, but you actually just toss it right in there.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it.
Number 1. You ready? Alright. Laundry number 1. Shut this sucker up. Number 1. Just shut this up. Bam. Swipe. And that's a first try. You know, usually you don't get it on the first try. Laundry numero 2. Bam. Now, pay respects to the washing machine. Give her a nice swipe. And that's the daily double.
Shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your.
We just hit 2 perfect swipes. No cap. Are you fucking laughing?
Sorry.
Again? Are you fucking kidding? Now, we wait. Just gotta chill out for a bit. Play some Flappy Bird. You look beautiful today. Stunning. Shit! Alright guys, I went ahead and just did the drying stuff. That's the amateur's thing. We're gonna go check the laundry now. cheater.